Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy. In this session, we are going to discuss how to use Scribble pad or your rough sheet efficiently. If we talk about the Scribble pad, or we can start with the size of the Scribble pad, that is nearly equal to the 8 into 6 inches which is given to you in your GATE examination. Which is almost equal to the half of the size of A4 sheet paper, which is look like this. Now, how we are going to use this particular size of sheet of paper in our GATE examination? There are some important points which we should keep in our mind while attempting our GATE examination and while using this Scribble pad in that exam. First, we should divide this Scribble pad into the partitions, or we can say in the parts. Let's suppose we divide this page in 4 parts, 4 or 5 parts as per the need. So we should divide page in partitions. Now, while using the Scribble pad, try to mention, or you should not try, you should mention the quotient number. Mention quotient number. This is very important. And try to solve GATE examination in a sequential manner or in a systematic manner. Now, what is the benefit of mentioning quotient in Scribble pad? Let's suppose if we got stuck in any particular quotient, you should mark that particular quotient. You should mark that particular quotient, or you can leave a certain space or a portion after that particular quotient, and you can also fold that particular page so that when you are revising yourself, you can easily detect that I got stuck in that particular quotient. So what we can do, we can mark that particular quotient, we can fold that particular page, or we can leave space or portion after that particular quotient, and try to solve conceptual quotient in your mind. As we can know, there are so many word problems also which we can solve in our mind. There is no need to use Scribble pad in that particular quotient. And one more important point, you should only write data and formulas in that Scribble pad. Do not use the calculations in that particular Scribble pad. For the calculation, you can use your virtual calculator. So these are the some important points which we should keep in our mind while attempting our GATE examination and while using the Scribble pad, because the space which is given in the Scribble pad is limited. So we should use a suitable size of font also. Suitable size of font which is easily understandable for us. And for the calculation, we can use our virtual calculator. There is no need to write 2 into 3 that is equals to 6, or the pi is equals to 3.14. We should not use that particular things in our Scribble pad, we can use a calculation in our virtual calculator. So these are the some important points which we should keep in our mind while using the Scribble pad. So that's all the very best.